Hey guys, how to attract people with Fiverr gig. Let's go. So guys, if you check this out, this is one of my gigs, which is a Amazon FBA coach gig. That's one of the things that I do because I have an Amazon business and I coach people on the best ways to kind of do things with regards to your Amazon business. So without further ado, you can see here is my gig. You can see it there, the second one there. And I think for me, what I found is the best ways to kind of be seen on Fiverr, um, or to make sure that that people find you, um, is to do actually a few things. So to get attracted, if you like, I think one of the things is definitely to create a video. You've got to create a video, guys. You've got to create a video. Videos usually stand out, and they don't have to be anything special, guys. I haven't said anything special in my video, believe me. I mean, aside from making sure that you deliver well and you get 5 stars, obviously, but to get seen on Fiverr and for the algorithm to like you, you need to do a video. And the videos always do, people with videos do stand out usually. And then after the video, then you've also got something else. So look, I've just flicked past the video, and then you can create something. Guys, you need to create something like a nice little design that is clear. So for example, you can see mine says Amazon FBA coach, coaching for beginners, start your Amazon journey here. And then, I've got a little graphic on the side with me and a little graphic of my little sort of the sales of FBA. Let me just go back. Let me just click on it so that we can see it a bit clearer. Okay, so this is my gig, and then I'll just play it just very quickly. I'm gonna keep it long.
And thank you for visiting my gig. Now, if anyone tells you having a successful Amazon business is easy, then that is not true. It really is very difficult. Now, it's very lucrative and you can make a lot of money on Amazon businesses. However, you really need to make sure you get everything right, from product sourcing, researching, designing, to even selling on the platform. There are so many aspects of the Amazon business that you need to get right. Now, fortunately for me, I've gone through the whole process and I have a successful business selling at different marketplaces. And if you're looking for someone to kind of coach you, guide you, advise you, looking for someone to kind of come in at certain steps and maybe put you in touch with people to help you with different aspects of the business, then I'm the person for you. So if you are interested, guys, then please have a look at my gig. Take care. Speak soon.
That's
And
it,
thank you for
guys.
visiting my.
Whoops, sorry. Guys, literally that is it. All I did was I did it literally at home. I put a little background and that's it. And that has helped me immensely. Now, the other thing is I created this design on Canva. Anybody that knows Canva knows that it's a fantastic software, a website that you can create anything on. I mean, I do because I've got YouTube channels and I've got the Fiverr gigs that I do. So I created this, look, all on Canva, right? And it's simple, it's easy, and it's quick. And this also has helped me a lot in terms of attracting people to my gig, guys, because it gives a little bit more information. It's really interesting, guys. So, anybody that doesn't know Canva, you've got to know it, guys. I'll just take you there. See, this is one of my designs. Let me go home. My thumbnails for my channel. Guys, I do thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, everything really on it. Canva is amazing. So if you are interested in it, check my link, the link in my description, and you can try it out for free. But literally what I do is I got my designs, all my designs here, and then I can just literally just create something. I create all my designs, guys, all on Canva, guys. It's so easy, and I've done my YouTube um, gig, I've done my Fiverr gigs and everything. And I'll be honest with you, through my through this, my Fiverr gigs became really, really popular. So, like here it is another one. If I click on that, the Amazon sourcing one. If I just click on it, it was very easy, guys. Look, I'm not even going to take that long. I'm just going to tell you quickly. Look, I put an image of myself, which is there. There's my image. I typed in Amazon sourcing, so I could say, yep, Amazon business. Let me just, whoop, Nearly spelled it wrong. That's a bit. Right? Product sourcing from Alibaba. Typed it in. Easy. Put a little logo. Done. Share it, download it, it's done, guys. It's easy. This is Canva. So guys, if you want to make something that will attract people to your gig, let's get back, that will attract people to your gig and make sure that you're seen somewhere, then you need to make sure, guys, you need to make sure that you have a video. That's what I reckon, because the ones that usually kind of get seen a lot have videos and also have a really good, simple but attractive design, clear to the point, telling people exactly what it is that you do. So I'm an Amazon FBA coach. Say it. Coaching for beginners. Have a picture of yourself. People like to see people. Have the logo. Have maybe a little snapshot of the kind of what your sales could be like. And then just be a bit clearer. So UK Amazon FBA coach and so on. A little bit more information. Don't overload it. Don't put too much information. Don't be too busy, guys. Keep it simple. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget, try out the Canva. I've got the link in the description. But if you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, guys, and please check out my next videos. Guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.